Let's take a quick look around this huge place, 50,000 square feet. There's a lot of very interesting things. Look at this bed headboard, I guess it is. And you remember doing these as a kid, putting a lawnmower motor onto a bicycle? Fascinating stuff. Look at the doors. Hundreds, if not thousands of doors. So when people are remodeling or new construction, they've got doors here, every size, shape, color. Here we got a live shot. Action shot here. This was not planned. It's a working shop, so you may recognize this. Guys will recognize this of a certain age. This was a urinal from the old Cleveland Municipal Stadium. And more doors, doors, doors. Fixtures, toilets, sinks, bathtubs. It's a huge place. Different colors, mirrors, lighting fixtures. It's really, really impressive. So if you're remodeling, or you're doing new construction, or you have some family heirlooms, you know, if you want a new sconce lamp, or look at these lamps. It's really, really interesting. Doorknobs, hardware, bathtub faucets, cabinets, mirrors, chairs, tables, desks. So you really got to come down and take a look if you're into this kind of stuff, because they have so much stuff, and there is a turnover, because things are always selling and new things are coming in. You can get a little feel for the scale here. Really big, really cool. Okay, and in the back corner of the Rebuilders Xchange is one of my favorite spots of all, the Fab Lab. Rebuilders Xchange RBX Fab Lab. You want it, we can make it. So this is what Ron was talking about. They've got all kinds of tools and equipment and projects. Here's an old piano that they're turning into some furniture. Great tools. Some of the woodworking stuff here. So they do wood and metal projects. As they say, you can never have enough clamps. And one of the really unique, I mean, here's, you know, the sawzall that you'd expect. Ron's background is in welding. So they do a lot of metal work, welding. He studied at Lincoln Electric. So you see these various welders from Lincoln, which are very fortunate to have here in Cleveland. See ongoing projects, drill presses and tools, and just a fun thing. I mean, think, you know, so many of us who have small home shops or dream about it, just kind of salivate when you see some of the stuff they have here. So this is what they call the Fab Lab here at the Rebuilders Xchange.